Good morning, my dear students. Neha ma'am here. So today we have to start chapter 11, perimeter and area, exercise 11.3. Common question number 1 now. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. We have to find the circumference of the circles and they have given the radius. Okay. Circumference, as you know, in square, rectangle, parallelogram, we have learned all these figures. We know what is perimeter. Perimeter means the area which is on the boundary. Yes, outside area, that all include in the perimeter. Same way, circle, in case of circle, the boundary of the circle is known as the circumference of the circle. Now they have given the radius. They have given the radius of the circle. Radius is the distance from the center to the any part of the circle. This is known as a radius. So they have given the radius and now they are asking us to find the circumference. The area of circle is pi r square, but the circumference, they are asking circumference. The formula to find the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, where value of pi is 22 upon 7 or in decimal 3.14. This you have to remember. Okay, if they have already given the value of pi in question, then you have to put that value only. Like in first question they have given the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. It means we have to put the value of pi 22 upon 7 only. But if in case they have given 3.14, then we have to put the value 3.14 only. Okay, otherwise our answer will vary according to our answer sheet. Okay, or if they have not given any value 22 upon 7 or 3.14, then I prefer you to use 22 upon 7. Okay, so that our calculation part should be easy. Okay, so let's start now. First part they have given for radius equal to 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter radius they have given. Simply put the formula of circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7 pi, then value of r we have put, that is 14. Okay, simple, solve it. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Okay, then 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 22 will be 88 centimeter is our circumference. Be remember, आप एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा, in area you will get centimeter square you will get, and in perimeter circumferences you will put centimeter meter with the power 1 only, unit with the power 1 only. Okay, similarly we have to do the second part is B part. In B part radius have given 28 millimeter. So again in place of r we have to put 28 millimeter. Then again the formula, apply the formula 2 pi r, circumference equal to 2 pi r, 2 into pi 22 upon 7 into radius 28 given, millimeter given. Now solve it. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, then 4 2s are 8 and 8 22s are 176 millimeter. Okay, now next C part. In C part radius they have given 21 centimeter, circumference equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. Now cancel. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 22 will be 132 centimeter. Okay, so here we have completed our first question. Come on, question number second. Question number second says, find the area of the following circles. Now we have to find the area of the following circle. Here we have to find area, and again they have given the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. So formula to find the area is pi r square, pi r square. Then put the formula. Okay, and value of pi we have to put 22 upon 7. r equal to first part 14 millimeter, so area is pi r square, pi 22 upon 7, r they have given 14 into 14, r square means we have to multiply radius 2 times, yes, so 14 into 14, now you can solve, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, you can cancel any 14, okay. Now when you will multiply 22 into 2 into 14, then you will get the answer. You will get your answer as calculate and then tell me what will be the answer. Answer will be 616 millimeter. Okay. When you will multiply 22 to the, you can multiply 22 to the 44. 44 into 14 will be 616. Okay. Now come on. B part. Now they have given diameter. उन्होंने क्या दे रखा है? Diameter दे रखा है 49 meter. Okay, this 49 is extra. You can cancel it. Now radius we have to find. How we can find the radius? Diameter is given. You know radius is half of the diameter. Radius हमेशा क्या होता है? Diameter half of diameter. Radius this is radius. Diameter means a double part of radius. Yes, 2r. So it means radius is half of the diameter. You have to half the diameter. So diameter given 49 divided by 2. Now it's become radius. Radius half of the diameter. Now we find radius and now again we have to find area. Now apply the formula pi r square. Pi means 22 upon 7 into r. We have 49 upon 2. 49 upon 2 2 times. Now you can cancel according to you. According to your way. Okay. So 7 1 is 7. 7 7 are 49. Okay. Now 2 1 are 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 11 are 22. Okay. And when you will multiply 11 into 49 into 7, then you will get 3773 upon 2 is left in the denominator and then simply divide it. After dividing it you will get 1886.5 meter square. Be remember in area you will get square unit square and in circumference perimeter you will get only the simple power 1 unit power 1. Okay. Now C part they have given radius 5 centimeter here. Already they have given radius. Okay, if diameter is given, then you have to half diameter to find the radius. Remember this. Okay, so area again pi r square, pi 22 upon 7 into r 5 into 5. Now simply multiply the numerators because nothing can be cancelled. It will be not divisible by any one number of numerator, one number of denominator is not divisible by any particular table, any single table. So simply you will multiply numerator and denominator. Numerator 22 into 5 into 5 you will get 550 upon 7 in the denominator and after this you will divide, you will get 78.57 centimeter square as the unit. Okay, so here we have completed our question number 1 also, question number 2 also. Now question number 3. Question number 3 says, if the circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter, circumference means they have given the perimeter, circumference of the circle, the total circumference they have given of circular sheet. Find the radius. What we have to do? Find the radius. We have to find the radius now and they are saying then find the area also. First find radius, then find area. Because to find area, we want area, radius. Because if we want to find the area, then formula of area is pi r square. We want radius. So first we have to find the radius with the help of circumference. Because circumference given, so first we will put the formula of circumference. Circumference is 154 meter. So in place of circumference, we will write a formula 2 pi r equal to 154. Okay. To like this only in place of pi 22 upon 7 into r equal to 154. Now for what you have to do, you have to do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means whenever before equal and after equal you are having the numbers in multiplication and you have any variable, that value you have to find, then you have to leave the variable alone and you have to arrange the numbers according to the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication करना है आपको यहाँ पे. Okay, cross multiplication करेंगे, then what will happen, you will get, see here 2 into, here you see it will be, क्या होगा ये, r equal to 154 will goes with 7 के साथ चला गया and r is having, r के साथ जो नंबर है 2 और 22, that will go in denominator, that will move in denominator. जो भी नंबर वेरिएबल के साथ होता है जिसकी वैल्यू हमें निकालनी होती है, that will move in the denominator because the value we have to find, the unknown value we have to find, we have to leave it alone. Okay, now understood how to arrange. Now what we have to do, simply solve it, cancel it if they are cancelling. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 is left, 2 7s are 14, 11 1s are 11, 11 7s are 77. Okay, so 7 into 7 will be 49 upon 2 meter is our radius. Now we have to find the area also. We have now radius we have find out. Area is pi r square, so pi 22 upon 7 r square, r into r, it means 49 upon 2, 49 upon 2. Simply multiply or solve it, cancel it first. 7 1 is 7, 7 7s are 49. Okay, you can cancel any 49. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are, okay, so now multiply it, 11 into 49 into 7, 7 into 11, 77, 77 into 49 will be 3773 upon single 2 is left, you will write single 2 and when you will divide you will get the answer 1886.5 meter square as our area. Okay, so first what we have done, just recall the question. They have given our circumference they have given and they are asking us radius and area. So with the help of circumference, the value they have given, we have found the radius with the formula 2 pi r, and after getting the radius we have find the area with the formula pi r square. Okay, so here we have completed our question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 4 we will continue in the next video. Thank you.